Nangari Pumayam, Asim Nangari. Today I come back with another cooking video. Today we will cook chicken biryani. So we have one whole chicken. We bought this one for 500 and it's around 300 Indian rupee. We also use the basmati rice that we brought from India. We will use the yogurt to marinate the meat for the biryani. And we have some important spices that we will use for biryani today. We will use two different kind of biryani masala. Garam masala, Kashmiri chili. Here's the coriander powder and some whole spices. First, let me prepare the chicken for marination. Let's go to prepare. So let's cut the chicken. I will cut off the unused part. For the biryani, I will cut it in a big piece compared to the curry. We will use like this. For the marination to go inside, I will cut it like this. I will wash it and then we will marinate it. I will put the yogurt first. I will use half of it and then keep the remaining one for the sauce. For the marination, I will use this biryani masala, a little bit of coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, cooking salt. I will mix them up. And then we will wrap it and we will keep it at the room temperature for 2 or 3 hours. It's almost 3 hours, so the marination is completed. We will use the pressure cooker to cook the biryani. A little bit of oil. I will put all the whole spices inside now. Onion. A little chili. Okay, it's done, so I will put the meat inside. I will cook the meat at the medium heat for some time. Sometimes we should go to check and turn it around to make sure everything is cooked. So in the meantime, I will make the raita. First, let's go to take the dill from our garden with me. I will use the remaining yogurt, half of onion, and the dill. Cut it into the small piece. I will put a little bit of chili, cooking salt, mix it. And then put the dill on top of this. Done. I already cooked the meat for 20 minutes. So now let's put the MDA biryani masala inside. As you see, a lot of water coming out from the meat, so I just put the rice inside. We will not put any water. So I will mix up the rice and the meat. I like the cashew nuts in the biryani, so I also put it some. We will close the lid and cook for some time with the low heat. Okay, it's already 15 minutes, so I will turn it off. The pressure gone away, so we will take it out now. Wow, look at this. Oh my god, looks so good. Okay, the biryani is done.
Oh, looks so good. Let's eat.
Yeah.
And then what part do you want?
Like this one.
You like this one?
So look at this part. This is the best part of the biryani today. So for the sauce, Dacho told me that when we put the cucumber, it will more tasty. So I already cut it. Now I just put it and mix it together.
We also have the salad.
Dacho also prepare the salad to eat together. Now it's look better a lot. Look. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. That's really good.
Oh my god.
Original biryani.
Original?
You know the biryani is different in different part of India. The south biryani it's also different from the north part of the India. So they have different spices. So you saw two different type of spices, right? So they make spices, different spices. And we can also make different type of biryani, not only chicken, but mutton biryani, vegetable biryani is also there.
What?
Yeah.
It also have vegetable?
Yeah, vegetable biryani. Because many people in India does not eat meat. Oh, wow.
By the way, the sauce with the biryani is the best.
Good.
Tasty.
Really good.
Really good.
Let me see.
Do you remember this sauce?
I can't.
Really?
Yeah.
See it again.
No.
I will tell Mama.
Okay.
So this is the sauce that my mother-in-law sent it to me when we were dating. So I wanted to try the fennec because it looks so beautiful. So I asked my mother-in-law send to me the fennec, and she also sent this one, the sweater. She make it herself. It looks so nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
I really like it. Thank you so much, Mama.
The meat is so juicy and all the marination went inside.
But I feel it's more tasty with this sauce.
Yeah.
So good. But when I came to Manipur, I didn't see.
Yeah, in Manipur, not many people eat the biryani or something like that. Yeah, we prepare the curry, the Manipuri style curry. Biryani is not the original food of Manipur. So it comes from other part of India.
Yeah.
Yeah, many as I said that many part different biryani varieties. So yeah, mostly the part where the Muslim rule, like the Mughal Empire rule. Yeah,
So good.
really good.
How can you know this sauce?
How can I know this sauce?
I didn't see it on the restaurant.
Yeah, we have to ask them. Like in the Indian restaurant, they can make it for you. Yeah, and it also depends on the yogurt that you use. So yesterday we were looking for this similar yogurt, right? So the yogurt which are sweet or something like that, we cannot make this one. What's it?
So good. It's so soft, nah?
Because it's cooked properly.
So good.
Yep. Really good.
Really good. So good, hubby.
Yeah.
So good, that's it. Take more this.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is so fresh, yo.
Yeah.
The sauce bring out the biryani taste more better, ne?
Yeah. I don't know how people come to know that eating with yogurt is good, you know. I don't know what other we need to read how biryani was made or something like that.
So good. So I like the chicken curry, mutton curry, and biryani.
How about butter chicken?
Butter chicken, oh, it's also good. A lot of things.
But I have never tried to cook butter chicken.
Please try it. I really want to eat it.
Okay, let's go.
So that Joe have never cooked the butter chicken.
Yep.
So whenever I want to eat, he brings me to the restaurant.
Yep.
So in Manipur,
Mhm.
what is the famous food?
There are a lot, depending on what you like. Some people cannot eat the pork or this one, but some people really like the pork. I like the pork, so pork is my favorite. This one.
I like
What was the
chicken
one?
more.
Really? You should try the pork made by Poire, because you only tried the pork chicken made by Poire, right? So yeah, my youngest brother, he can cook better than me.
I finished.
I'm done too. Yeah, really good. So we are successful in our experiment in cooking biryani.
Yeah, you're successful for teaching me.
Yeah,
And I'm a good student also.
yeah. So next time we will try some more other food.
How about you try Vietnamese food?
Yeah. So I will try cooking Vietnamese food. I don't know.
We have finished eating. Thank you for watching us every time. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Yeah. Bye bye.